Om Gan Ganpate Namaha. Welcome to this meditation to heal and balance our third eye chakra, which brings us intuitive powers and vision for the future. So sit in a comfortable position and whenever you feel relaxed, gently close your eyes. Now, take 7 deep breaths and with each breath, release all the stress, anxiety, negativity, and pressures from your body as you exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, with your body feeling relaxed and comfortable, visualize a beautiful garden in front of you. As you enter this garden, you notice that there is a huge indigo lotus blooming in front of you. This indigo lotus is so huge that you can comfortably sit in the center of this lotus, as if this is just meant for you. Visualize yourself sitting on this beautiful indigo lotus, and as soon as you sit on this indigo lotus, you feel a wave of relaxation in your entire body, a feeling that is so peaceful, something that you've never experienced before. As you sit on this indigo lotus, experiencing this peace and relaxation, you can feel a beautiful indigo light coming straight from the universe and entering your body from your forehead. This indigo light is spreading down and settling like a ball of indigo light in the center of your eyebrows, which is the location of your third eye chakra. This indigo light is a cleansing light from the universe that is helping you cleanse your third eye chakra today of all the negativity and imbalances. As this indigo light cleanses your third eye chakra, you may feel or see a dark grey or black smoke leaving your body. As this cleansing is happening and all the blockages are being released, feel this release happening. Feel this indigo light cleansing your third eye chakra completely. And as this cleansing is happening, you notice that your third eye chakra is becoming even more clear to you. And now, you may be able to see your third eye chakra even more clearer. As your third eye chakra is being balanced, you notice that a beautiful lotus with 2 big petals in a bright indigo color is opening in your third eye. This bright indigo lotus is a sign that your third eye chakra is now completely balanced and healed. Focus your awareness on this bright indigo lotus. As you focus all your awareness on this bright indigo lotus, you notice that this bright indigo lotus is slowly spreading a bright indigo colored light around it too, illuminating your entire forehead and aura with its beautiful energy. As you focus all your awareness on this third eye chakra and this beautiful indigo lotus in your third eye chakra, you notice that you are now opening yourself to the higher wisdom and intuitive downloads from the universe. You are opening yourself to the signs and synchronicities from the universe, ready to receive them. You are now ready to be guided from the universe, and you are now feeling a sense of clarity for your future. You now have a vision for your future, a path that helps you decide. And as you imbibe all these positive qualities into each and every cell of your being, I want you to expand these positive feelings with every affirmation that I say now, and let every word deepen the positive qualities of a balanced third eye chakra in your entire being. I am intuitive and clairvoyant. I am intuitive and clairvoyant. I trust my intuition and follow my inner guidance. I trust my intuition and follow my inner guidance. I am able to visualize my future with clarity. I am able to visualize my future with clarity. I am blessed with the gift of sight, both inner and outer. I am blessed with the gift of sight, both inner and outer. I follow the signs and guidance from the divine. I follow the signs and guidance from the divine. Now, express your gratitude to the divine for the beautiful indigo healing light that helped you cleanse and balance your third eye chakra today. And also thank the universe for your gift of intuition, clarity, clairvoyance, and the gift of a vision for your future. Thank the universe for this beautiful gift. And now, if you're comfortable, place your hand on your third eye chakra, and as you do so, you will receive all the clarity and intuitive guidance you need to manifest your vision into your physical reality now. You are now blessed with all the clarity, intuitive downloads, guidance, vision, and insight that you need to manifest your vision. And with this awareness and healing, express your gratitude to the universe and get ready to come back to your conscious awareness with all the healing energies you received here. So start coming up with 1, higher up with 2, further up with 3, with all your personalities integrated within your physical body at 4, and at 5, very gently open your eyes. Thank you so much.